The 2023 Volvo XC60 is a luxury SUV with elegant appearance and purposeful engineering. The XC60's interior is well-tailored minimalism, think Prada meets IKEA. The B5, B6, and 455 horsepower T8 plug-in hybrid are all four-cylinder engines. All are moderately fuel-efficient and feel nice to drive, with performance ranging from perky to rapid. Volvo incorporates basic driver assistance and safety technologies. The XC60's Google-based infotainment system isn't pretty, but it works effectively. Other compact SUVs, like the Audi Q5 and BMW X3, are more practical. The Volvo's interior space and curb charm make up for these flaws. Performance and engine. Volvo provides three powertrains, B5, B6, and T8, in the XC60, all with all-wheel drive. Base B5 badged XC60s have a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a 48-volt hybrid powertrain. The B6 uses the same 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder as the B5, but adds a supercharger. With 295 horsepower, it's peppier than B5 variants. The plug-in hybrid T8 powertrain uses the B6's engine and electric motors for 455 horsepower in recharge versions. The XC60 handles well, cruises confidently, and changes directions with ease, but it doesn't inspire hooliganism like the Porsche Macan. On bumpy roads, the ride can be unpleasant, but on smooth ones, it's comfortable. Battery life, charging range. Recharge or Polestar models come standard with a T8 plug-in hybrid, which has a 32-mile electric-only range. The XC60 T8 may be charged at a public station or at home using 110 or 220-volt outlets, but Volvo also has a feature that can charge the battery from the SUV's gasoline engine. Real-world MPG. EPA forecasts front-wheel drive B5 cars will get 22/28 of a mile per gallon. The B6 gets 21/27 of a mile per gallon city/highway. Visit the EPA's website for XC60 fuel efficiency details. Cargo, interior, comfort. The XC60's interior style and luxurious materials mimic more pricier Volvos. Both rows of the quiet, cozy cabin are adult-sized. Clean lines and high-quality materials give the Volvo XC60's cabin a Scandinavian feel. We fit 20 carry-on luggage behind the XC60's folded rear seats. The only cargo area bin is among the tiniest we've measured.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The 2023 Volvo XC60 is a luxury SUV with elegant appearance and purposeful engineering. The XC60's interior is well-tailored minimalism, think Prada meets IKEA. The B5, B6, and 455 horsepower T8 plug-in hybrid are all four-cylinder engines. All are moderately fuel-efficient and feel nice to drive.